Hi fam, it's me faceless reviewer Vicky. Remember the days of blocky graphics and endless loading screens? Yeah, me neither. But for many gamers, that was the reality. Until now. Enter the Xbox Series X. A console so powerful it'll make your gaming memories look like pong in comparison. I'm talking 12 teraflops of raw power, visuals that melt your eyeballs, and speeds that'll have you questioning the very fabric of time and space. But hey, don't take my word for it. Let's embark on an epic odyssey and see if this next-gen beast truly lives up to the hype. Imagine soaring through vibrant landscapes that blur the line between reality and pixels. Imagine feeling the heat of battle with lighting so real. You swear you can smell the smoke. Imagine experiencing games at speeds that make your reflexes feel like they're on fire. That's the magic of the Series X, my friends. Actual price for $99.99, discount price for $64.99. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about shiny new graphics. The Series X boasts a custom SSD that makes loading screens a thing of the past. Seriously, you'll be saying game on before you even know it. Plus, with backward compatibility for thousands of Xbox titles, you can revisit old favorites or discover hidden gems, all looking and playing better than ever. It's like a gaming library time machine, warping you back to simpler times with the added bonus of modern performance. Talk about nostalgia with a next-gen twist. Now, I know what you're thinking, this all sounds amazing, but is it worth the price tag? That, my friends, is a question only you can answer. But if you're a hardcore gamer who craves the bleeding edge of technology and experiences that push the boundaries of immersion, then the Series X might just be your holy grail. So, are you ready to embark on your own next-gen odyssey? Join the comments below and let's discuss if the Xbox Series X is the ultimate gaming upgrade. And hey, if you enjoyed this wild ride, hit that subscribe button for more tech adventures. Until next time, game on and game smart.